Welcome back to the Dutch sailing family. This week in episode 15 we stumble upon a beautiful but icy cold waterfall near Alanya, Turkey. And we celebrate Lily's birthday on board our sailboat Roxy. Good morning again. So today we are going on a bus trip. I don't even know where we're going. Do we know where we're going? No, we don't know where we're going. We just know which bus numbers. And when we check the map, we know the name of the place. But top of our head, it's very, very difficult. Lily knows. What do you want to tell us? Where are we going? Okay, Lily, we will find out soon.
Yes.
Let's see. Okay, I quickly picked up the carrier bag for Lily as well. If her legs stop working, which does still happen sometimes. Only 2 years old. And that's it. Bus stop should be here. End of the road. Just to the left. And here we pass the nightclub. That's going every night. Well, I think it's 5 nights in the week. Not every night. So we haven't been yet. We've been sleeping with the little girls. But there you go. Let's see if we can find the bus. And hopefully the girls are waiting just here. Already asking me to run. Looks like the bus is here. Perfect. Let's go. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi. Nice. First bus ride was easy. We came up to the stop next to the marina and it was right there. Hopped on, 50 cents a person except for Lily. And here we are in Alanya itself. Now we have to walk to the next route, which is like I think 10-minute walk at normal walking. See if Lily can walk. And that's it. We'll go into the valley a little bit more. Oh well, that didn't take long. Lily's on my back. Gaat goed? Okay. Good, we found the next bus. 10 minutes, then it's 10 o'clock and we should go. Let's see what we find. Hopefully some nature, little river, some places to enjoy. Almost there, and then we'll go for a walk through the hills. Should be amazing. And there we are, we made it to the end of the line. And from here is by foot. We just walk along the hills and hopefully to find a little stream where you can swim and stuff. There might be some places for lunch. Might be, we don't know, it's an adventure. So yeah, but it's beautiful already. The walk turns out to be slightly downhill, which is pretty nice, down to the riverbed hopefully. And the green is amazing, the hills are awesome, and even the sky, look at that, beautiful. We don't see much of that in Qatar in the summer. Miss this a lot. It's really nice.
Papa.
Woo, guys! Okay. So what do you think is in a little valley down there? I have an idea. We are getting much closer. Starting to hear streaming water and people. Let's walk a little bit more. Well, clearly a popular Jeep safari spot this. Lots of jeeps coming past and they just left. And we made it by foot and bus. Look, we found the water. Nice. Let's see if we can find some waterfalls downstream, Lily. What do you think? Maybe right?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, right there. Let's go. Okay, let's go down here. Yosha going in for a swim. Do you think she will do it?
Yeah.
All the way? Let's see. Ja. Ha, kijk of papa het aandurft. Oh, koud. Oh.
Kijk, mama. Mama. Kijk. Kan jij staan?
This is cold. So super nice. Just came out for another swim and it's almost heart-stoppingly cold, but after that you're completely re-energized. Amazing. We got there at a good time as well. All those jeeps just left and we got here, just us. Now some other people joining for a nice picnic. It's beautiful. Very nice like this. Initially we thought we would walk the same way back again to the bus stop where we were dropped off, but looks like there's a walking trail on the other side of the little stream, and that takes us towards Alanya as well. And then as we get closer we'll get better internet reception and hopefully we'll find another bus or anyone willing to take us to town and then to the marina. Should be okay. Oh, really nice here, walking through the valley. No houses here or nothing, but some car graveyards maybe, very small ones. Other than that, too much green. Lot of green. And a bird's nest there up top that Jolene spotted. Nice. The sun's still doing his best too, but the water was so cold, this feels amazing. Perfect. We're just turning from this street onto this really big one. Getting into Alanya again. And preferring main roads. We could go straight ahead that side. But maybe here we'll find a bus stop or something. And make it back even all the way with the bus, which was today's mission. And yeah, the way out worked easy, way back we're gonna find out very soon. I'll catch up with the girls now. Sure enough, around the corner we found a bus stop and easily made it back to the boat. With your new flippers! Nice! Pretty deep very quickly. Hey, super! Okay, I'm joining you. Not long after our trip to this waterfall, we took out the dinghy so Yoshi could try out her new flippers. I think she looks right at home in the water, don't you? Zo, bootje aan land. Those big pirate ships literally are everywhere. Every day full of tourists. Pretty amazing. And they do look kind of cool, right? And there we also met our friend Ramazan, who used to be a professional diver. What do you call this in English even?
An happy birthday banner.
Banner, yes, banner. Slinger, banner. All for Lilly.
So, this is our surprise for Lilly for tomorrow morning. Here we go. Some presents. This is what Yosha made her, and it's full of candies and chocolates and little things. Got balloons everywhere, and we have a happy birthday made by Yosha. Hi.
Hey, look who is here. I was gonna film the whole arrival, but then she suddenly appeared right next to the boat. You're here.
Iemand van Lilly kan me brengen.
Ik heb geen licht. There's no light. Can barely see you. There isn't even any light. Anyway, she's here. We'll film more tomorrow. And then the big day finally arrived.
Wauw, wat is dat? Wat is daar allemaal? Is dit allemaal voor jou?
Is dat wel voor jou?
Weet je wat je ook moet doen, Lilly? Je moet even in Joey's kamer kijken.
Goedemorgen, Lilly Mops.
Ja.
Wat is hier? Wat is hier? Er liggen benen.
Wie is dat?
Oma.
Oma Dia. Wat is jou?
Huh?
Is oma voor je verjaardag gekomen? Oh, ga je
Is
dus
het
een
wel
knuffel
echt?
geven?
Is het wel echt?
Gracias.
En ik ga mijn cadeautjes openmaken. Dat is mijn maat.
Oh, wauw. Die is mooi.
En dit is een olifant.
Aha. Dankjewel, Zuboma.
Hij is een beetje lang. Een bril! Deze is een puppy.
Oh,
Kijk.
wauw.
Oh.
Ja. Er komt water in zijn ogen.
Oh.
Dit zijn wielen.
Wielen? Heb
Ja.
je unicornwielen?
Kijk. Ik heb mijn eigen skate.
Wauw.
Kijk Lilly. Nog meer.
Hebben ze-
Kijk. Voor het verjaardagsmeisje. Een mooie slinger.
Well, Lily woke up nice and early. Had all her gifts unwrapped. And now it's time for breakfast.
Er liggen op de tafel ergens al een paar messen.
Is dit mijn tape?
Denk ik. Ik weet het niet.
Daar.
Oh, heb ik jou tegengepikt?
Ja.
And of course, Lily had to do makeup for the party guests.
Oké.
Het is een beetje...
Is dat genoeg van die kleur of nog
Ja.
een beetje op dat andere oog?
Ja.
Nou, daar kan Sabine nog van leren.
Het is klaar.
Even kijken. Wauw.
Small ones, I'm gonna get the big
Looks
ones.
too much like a party to me. Gonna have to record this moment, I think.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna be filmed.
Can we sing?
Yeah, can you, well, I don't know, can you sing?
Yeah.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Yes.
Yes.
Someone start. Who
Okay.
knows the right note to start
Oké, we
on?
moeten zingen.
Ja.
Ik ga voor jou
1, 2, Lily. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lily. Happy birthday to you. Hey.
Yay!
Operation clean out the fridge.
Kan je dat eten?
Recommendation is not really to use tools, but if we just knock on the ice, we're thinking it can't hurt that much. With the high humidity, you get loads of ice. This is what we got in the month, a bucket full.
Nee, dit mag je niet eten.
That's a lot, right? So, luckily, Oma Dia is on hand to help us out.
Dat heb ik eten.
I think that little job is completed. And now we have some extra air conditioning. Free!
Want mama?
Er zit een stukje verderop aan manier te vangen. Ja, maar
A few days after that, I decided it was finally time to jump off the mountain and go for some paragliding.
die daar, Lily. Die
Here on the
gaat
first
landen.
flight I landed nicely at the beach, but the second flight didn't go completely as planned. Stay tuned for that video coming out soon. And that's it for this week. Stay tuned for our paragliding flight coming out soon and many more adventures from our sailing catamaran Roxy.